Alright, in today's episode I'm going to show you how to remove and refit a GTV or Spider 916 door card. So here we go, let's start removing the speaker covers first. Okay, there's one clip here, here, here and here. You just get a screwdriver behind and just pry each one. Here comes the speaker cover. 4 Phillips bolts holding the speaker in place. There are quite a few different size bolts doing this door card, so I would recommend you put them all in a methodical order so you don't try fitting the wrong ones in the wrong place, because they don't fit. And do the connection on the back next. Sorry, at the side of the door card you've got 1, 2, 3 Allen keys. There's now 2 bolts under here I need to undo. And the final bolt is behind here, so screwdriver at the bottom, just pull that forwards gently all the way around, and out it will come. Pull the connections off. Comes the final bolt. Now this door card isn't clipped in like a lot of door cards are, they're actually slid onto hangers. You don't have to pull the door card off, you just have to lift it up and off it will come. And don't forget to undo all your connections on the back. Pull your speaker wires through and undo the clip for the door handle and undo the connector on the light. And there you go, that's one door card removed. Handy hint is to use a little bit of masking tape when refitting the door card. Pop some on the door lock so you can then pull it through the hole on the door card, as it will normally get lost or quite difficult to get it through. So here we go, let's get it done. Okay, first of all just pop your masking tape through the hole. Pop all your connections back onto the door. plug it in your tweeter. That's everything done there. Just make sure you pull all the wires through and that you've clipped the door handle back in properly. Oh, that's come through. Okay, now with that back on, it means it's not going to fall off, and when you put it on, you can just put it straight back through again. Okay, let's put the bolts back in now. Okay, speaker connection on. Okay, there you go. That's one door card refitted. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.